Today we're going to discuss about addition and subtraction of integers. But before we move on, when I was in middle school, I remember a song about addition of integers. This song helps me to determine how to add integers with same signs and how to add integers with different signs. So here, the song goes, same sign add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the higher number, then you'll be exact. So according to the song, if you were adding same sign integers, like this example here, -4 plus -3, you just add it up and just copy the symbol, -7. If you're adding +4 plus 3, +3, you just add it up and just copy the symbol, which is positive, or the sign, which is positive, +7. On the other hand, when you're adding integers with different signs, you're going to subtract. And when you subtract, you take the sign of the higher number and make sure that that would be your symbol. So let's say this one, you try to determine first if both have same signs. Here you got +5 and you got -2, and you're adding. Definitely you saw it, and definitely you will be subtracting it. So it would be 3. Now what would be the symbol? The sign of the higher number. Here the higher number is 5, and what's the symbol of 5? It's positive, so it's 3. On this side, -7, you saw it, it's negative, and this one is +3. Definitely you have different signs, and you're just going to subtract the numbers. So it would be 4, and the higher sign here is -7, and you'll follow that, and it would be -4. Easy. When you're going to use chips to model your answers, chips, let's say this one is positive, green is positive, and red is negative. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus -3, 1, 2, 3. You just add it up. It would be -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, it would be +4 plus 3. Just get the green chips. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 1, 2, 3. It would be 7. Easy, right? Now, on the other hand, here, you're adding integers with different signs. We're going to use the so-called zero pairs, right? Zero pairs. Do you remember zero pairs from the last lesson? So it's an additive inverse. So you're adding integers with 0 as the answer. So here, +1 minus -1, it would be 0. So you cancel that out. It would be 0. That would be zero pairs. So let's demonstrate the zero pairs here in this example. +5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to add -2, which is 1, 2. So here you got 0 pairs here. Cancel this out and cancel this out, so you will have the remaining answer of 3. So your answer would be +3, just like this one. Here, -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're adding 3 positives, 1, 2, 3. So what you do is you cancel out the 0 pairs, 1, 2, 3, and you'll end up with -4. Okay? Subtracting integers, one simple rule, KCC, keep, change, change. So here we're going to do the opposite. So here you keep this one, keep this number, negative, and what's the opposite of negative? Positive. So it would become positive. And what's the opposite of this? Would be change, and this one would be change as well, so it will become -1. So in essence, that would be -3 plus -1, and the answer would be you're adding two similar signed integers which are both negative, and the answer would be -4. -4. On this side, you're going to keep, change, change, keep, change, change. So this one you keep the number as the same, and you change this to the opposite, positive, and you change this one to the negative. So it will be 3 plus -1. So this one you have a different sign integers. So the answer would be, you're going to subtract, right? The answer would be 2. And you're going to follow the higher number sign, which is positive. On this side, actually this one and this one are both the same. So let's make this negative. -10 minus 5. So here, you keep this one, -10, and then you change it for to the opposite, positive, and then -5, right? Keep, change, change. So that this would be, you're adding similar sign integers, so you're just adding it up. It would be 15 negative. On this side, you're going to keep, change to the opposite. So negative will become positive, and the opposite of +5 would be -5. So you got different symbol integer. You got different sign integers. So you're going to subtract 10 from 5, which is 5, and the higher number here, and the sign of the higher number is positive, so it would be +5. Thank you very much, and I'll see you.